Hi, and welcome to a demonstration on the new feature of the Kanban boards. So when you first log into your account, where you'll find the Kanban boards is under the Transactions tab and in your tasks. And what you'll find is the Kanban board layout. Some of you may be familiar with this already if you've used Trello. And it works exactly the same, where you can move the cards where you need to, depending on the task itself or the project. If you do need to create a new task, you simply just go to Create New Task button. And this will allow you to create new information to go into that card. You will also be able to assign this to an existing customer that's in Kalysys. So this will bring up all your information. Otherwise, you can also create a new customer by clicking the plus sign, and this will allow you to put in information. So when you've created the new customer, what it will do is it will populate it into this tab, and it will also be automatic, as you can see there. You can also select a job that it relates to. That's if you have that set up. Otherwise, you can also create a new job by clicking the plus sign, and this will allow you to create the job itself with some more information in detail. You can set the status, you can set the fixed price, time and materials, and you can also upload a document if need be. You can also assign this, which is great for if you're project managing a job. You can assign it to different employees that are set within Kalysys. And you can set the start date and the deadline if need be. You can also set the priority to let others know how urgent or critical this job or requirement is, or otherwise you can just nominate it as normal or low. You've also got the status of whether it's been started, in progress, complete, testing, or ready for handover. So for this one, we'll just click not started and we'll submit it. Once submitted, it will populate that information all together to create a new card. And what it will provide you is this screen where it will show you the task information. If you've put in any information incorrectly or you need to edit it, you can simply just go to the edit button and change the information. Otherwise, if you're happy with it, you can go back to the task and you will see it come up here as a card. You can delete the cards as you need to as well by pressing delete. Yes, delete, and that will get rid of the card itself. Otherwise, you will just have the one card, but for this demo purpose, we have a few cards here to show you. And as I said previously, you can move them as you require. Hope this video helps. Thanks for tuning in.